all of them though.
Yeah, but I see Knuckles in front, and I see Tails.
Who else?
That wasn't this white thing.
Let me see.
Where's the white thing? I don't know. I would just open it and see what it is.
Open it up.
Maybe we can copy it. I don't know. There's a high card here. I'm going. I got it. Who picked it up? Who picked it up? Huh? That's Tails. That's a boy or girl? But that's her. Yeah, that's Tails.
Who's this?
Knuckles. The big girl. That's amazing. Sonic. There's a give me there's a big Sonic.
Yeah.
Huh?
There we are.
Who's that?
What's his name?
Dr. Rivet. That's the criminal.
I think that's your favorite too. Which one's your favorite? Knuckles? Sonic?
Yeah,
I thought you were gonna change it.
that's a good big Sonic.
Okay.
He's big head. That's like, go fight. Let's play with me.